everyone, welcome. All right, hold on, this train's coming. I'll start over. How's the sound? Yo, there's something about the BX, man. New York City, it's gonna be loud. Are you kidding me with this? Oh my God, I don't know, man. I don't know what to tell you. Let's wait for this guy to pass. Try again for like the 4th time as soon as this car passes. All right. All right, everyone, welcome back to another episode of the Rad Skatepark check-in across N.Y.C. As you can tell, we are in New York City. Everyone's honking, it's very loud. This is episode 46 at the Jerome skate park right here in Bronx, New York. And today we brought TRISTEN Maldonado. And like always, I have my man Anthony BIONDO behind the lens. This is a brand new skate park right here in the Bronx. There's a fence around it, so I wouldn't advise you coming now, but in the near future, this park will be open. So with all of that being said, let's go in this brand new skate park and show you what it's all about. So come on. Guys, as soon as you get in the park, you have this nice long ledge. And what's super unique about this particular feature is that steel they put on that side. It's actually like a wall ride too, 3-block. I guess you could skate it like a little fun box down here, or you could get clever with this bank over here. The run-up is kind of short, cornered bank section right here. This whole like section just kind of like drives down a little bit and it goes all the way down, out ledge. Manual pad built right into the bank, opposite side of the park. Little hip section right here. You have this nice little bump and it brings you right into that bowl section right there. And what's unique about this bowl section is the coping, because it's not smooth. It's got all those ridges in it. Little roll-in section or kicker up. You grind the side of it as well if you want. Standing on the direct opposite side of the transition area we showed you, it's literally the mirrored image. You got that kicker right into the bowl section, whether you're hitting it from that way or this way. So whichever direction you want to go in. Right over here, we have this nice hip section. It's like 3 sides, 3 banks all together. 3 banks, 2 hips. And then it's like a takeoff zone. There's a nice fun box / manual pad, ledge, whatever you want to call it. I'm sure you've seen that feature in a skate park before. This feature is unique. It's all brick. It's like a brick pyramid, coping built right into it, and it actually has that sweet little manual pad / fun box built right into it. That's definitely a unique feature. You can definitely get super creative. The other side is all brick too. I don't know if you want to get a better look or same shit. Just keep it moving. Same shit. You see it? You see it? Look at it. Is that a quarter pipe or a wall ride? I don't know. Like a little hit here, fly out, whatever you want to call that, because we know that's like a bank. And lastly but not least, flat bar right in the park. So let's go see what clips we could produce here for you guys today. Right? Yeah. Cool. shit, that was the best one I ever did in my life. skateboard here, all brand new. So you gotta give it a double thumbs up.
I don't know, Tristan got some flat spots.
It's too new. So like the spots that have the graffiti, which is a lot of spots, are way too slippery. My wheels are flat spotted because of this park. They were brand new, but hater.
Actually, I have 0 flat spots because I land my tricks right.
Right.
It's mad slippery on the graffiti. All right, that's all I gotta say.
That's
Still
it.
smooth.
It's great.
Smooth.
It's great ground. Great ground. But watch the spots.
The graffiti makes it scary. Ready? Put your shirt on, man. You disgusting. Yo, if you ain't never been to the Bronx, bro, the Bronx is different.
You gotta check in with me if you come here.
Yo, if you scared, don't come here.
If you ain't from here, don't come here.
Yeah, if you
I'm
here,
from everywhere.
come here. But shout out to this skate park they just built. Yo, shout out to Tristan. Shout out to Brandon. Shout out to Carlos. Shout out to Angel. Shout out to Jay, all the locals. Hopefully you guys enjoyed episode 46. If you guys want to check us out, you can find us on Instagram at @RadBoardsport.co. Check out the merch, www.radboardsport.co. We're on Facebook. Subscribe to the YouTube channel. It's free. Like, subscribe, comment, all of that stuff. I say the same shit all the time. Hit that notification button so you're not missing skate parks. They're popping up all over the place. We had a great time, a great day. You know, hey. Shit, like I always say, T, what do I always say, man? Don't forget to what?
Ride all day, baby.
Yo, this is the Jerome skate park in the Bronx, but you know, in the hood, it's MT.EDEN, baby. So if you ain't scared to come to the hood, come here.